This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to post something on Pinterest. So I'm right here on one of my Pinterest accounts right here. So to post, very simple, you need to be logged in to your account, of course, but you will come over to this red create button here on the right hand side, and your options are pin, board, or collage. So if you want to do a board, for instance, we can create a board just by clicking board. We can name the board, we can add collaborators and click create from there. If you want to see the collage, we can click collage. You can start to put a collage together with other people's pins, with your own pins, and you can start to put it together right here. So that's simple, but the most simple way of actually posting something on Pinterest is create and pin. So this is like the really traditional way of actually posting a pin, which is the main way of posting on Pinterest. So you can actually drag a file directly into here. So you see that you can add image files and also video files from here. So you can have videos on Pinterest now. You would put a title right here, the description, the link, that would be the link that people could click on to actually go directly to a page of your website or your social media if you're promoting anything directly from here. So actually Pinterest does make it really easy. I'll show you in a second actually a finished pin, and you can see Pinterest does make it quite easy to promote stuff from here. So let's just show you actually, let's just find an image. Do we have any images? This is just one of my sites. Let's just add that as an image. Not going to post this as it's definitely off topic, but we could go the title is decision margin, which is the name of another site of mine. You can add your description here. You can add your hyperlink. So if you were sending them to the website, I could put decisionmargin.com. We'll just put that slash there for the heck of it. Board wise, you will have your boards set up. I could tag it on any of my boards right here. Maybe it's French New Wave, it isn't, but and then tags, we could say like filmmaking, we could say like finance, whatever we want to put, fiat, there we go. So we can do our tags that way, finance tips, filmmaking. You can add products here. You can schedule. So if you click there, publish at a newer date, a later date even, you can actually set your date and time. For the scheduling, there's more options there if you need them. And then you would click publish when that is, in fact, ready to publish. So I'll show you what a finished pin looks like. That's just the basics really of what a pin setup actually looks like, how to actually post. I need to get out of here. It is locking me in here for some reason. Okay, so I'm back on my main Pinterest profile page right here. I'll show you a finished pin. Let's come into this Criterion Collection one. Right here, we got loads of good looking pins. Right here, this film, Wages of Fear, classic film. You can see this pin. I've kind of opened it up here. And then underneath, we have, this is on sort of large view, obviously it looked different. If we were on mobile or on a cell phone or something here on a tablet, but we've got the blurb here about this film, we've got the title, and then this button here is where the link is that I was telling you about earlier. So we can click visit a site just by hovering over the image, and that will take us to the page that this film is associated with, that this pin is associated with, and we can do the same here by clicking on visit site. So hopefully this video on how to post on Pinterest has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.